Welcome to my channel. The video opens with sweeping drone shots of the Ferrari Super V8 motorcycle tearing through a mountain pass at sunrise. The bike's crimson paint glows under the golden light, and the roar of its engine fills the air. The host's voice cuts in, energetic but controlled, introducing the machine as Ferrari's most daring move in decades. This isn't just another high-performance motorcycle, the host explains, it's Ferrari's attempt to redefine what's possible on two wheels. From the first glance, the bike radiates Ferrari's DNA, drama, precision, and an unapologetic obsession with speed. As the camera moves closer, the design details become impossible to ignore. Every curve is sculpted for airflow, and the aggressive front profile looks like it's slicing through the wind even when standing still. The host notes how the aerodynamic winglets, which adjust themselves in real time, are straight out of Ferrari's Formula One playbook. Even the tail section, minimalistic and razor-sharp, channels air to stabilize the bike at high speeds. It's as much a piece of art as it is a feat of engineering, blending automotive heritage with motorcycle agility. The spotlight then shifts to the beating heart of this machine, the 4.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. Hearing that unmistakable Ferrari growl coming from a motorcycle is almost surreal. The host points out that the engineers tuned this powerhouse to deliver 245 horsepower at sky-high revs, with a torque curve designed for explosive acceleration without sacrificing control. At full throttle, the bike launches from 0 to 100 km/h in a blistering 2.5 seconds, and its top speed edges past 350 km/h, putting it among the fastest production motorcycles ever built. In the next shot, the host crouches beside the bike to highlight its chassis and suspension. The carbon fiber monocoque frame isn't just lightweight, it's incredibly stiff, ensuring razor-sharp handling through even the tightest corners. Ferrari partnered with Öhlins to develop a semi-active suspension system that constantly adjusts damping based on riding conditions. This means the bike can transition from a comfortable street cruiser to a track weapon at the push of a button. The camera pans to the wheels and brakes, where Brembo's carbon ceramic discs gleam under the sunlight. These brakes are borrowed straight from Ferrari's hypercars, offering unmatched stopping power and fade resistance even during prolonged track sessions. Combined with advanced cornering ABS and traction control, they give the rider confidence to explore the bike's limits without fear of losing control. The host emphasizes that safety has been prioritized as much as speed, an important point for a machine this powerful. Moving to the cockpit, the digital dashboard lights up like a fighter jet's control panel. The display is fully customizable, offering telemetry data such as lean angles, lap times, G-forces, and even GPS-based performance tracking. Ferrari's ride modes, street, sport, and track, completely transform the bike's personality. In street mode, throttle response is smooth and forgiving. In track, it becomes a razor-sharp tool for serious riders. Even the clutchless quick shifter feels like something lifted straight from a racing prototype. As the host straddles the bike, ergonomics become the focus. Despite its aggressive stance, the Super V8 surprises with adjustable handlebars, foot pegs, and seat height, making it versatile for different riders. Ferrari has used Alcantara for the saddle, a material common in their sports cars, which is both lightweight and grippy. Long-distance comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The suspension's adaptability and aerodynamic design help reduce rider fatigue on extended rides. The video cuts to a scenic coastal road where the bike glides effortlessly. The host explains that Ferrari's engineers spent countless hours perfecting power delivery to make the Super V8 more approachable than its numbers suggest. Advanced electronic aids like launch control, wheelie control, and Ferrari's proprietary electronic stability suite work seamlessly in the background. Even when you're pushing hard into a corner, the bike feels planted and predictable, creating a sense of trust between rider and machine. Night riding